Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add family members or friends as contacts to the AirAsia application. The first thing you have to do is enter the app. After you have done that, you should look at the upper left corner and you will see there a symbol with your initial. Press on that, and once you scroll down a little bit you will see the my account information option. Press on that, and here the last being on the list you will see family and friends. Press on that, and here you can have basically every family member or friend that you have added to the application as contacts. Now if you haven't added anybody yet, you can just press on this and add somebody new. You have to select first the gender, then the given name, then the family surname, then a date of birth. You have to select in this calendar. I'm just going to add, I think, a random date here. Then the passport number, this issuing country or region, and the expiry date. After everything is done, you just have to press save, and you can see that Nick Nicholson in this case was added to the list. And you can see up there that you can add up to 50 persons. You cannot add more than that. And that's really about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.